Hello, future designers. So, welcome to the continuation of our project. That's our e-commerce landing page for Azure. Okay. So, in our previous lesson, what we learned to do was the navigation bar. So, as you see here, this is what we were able to do for the nav bar. So, all we have to do now is to try to ensure everything is aligned here, and then we can proceed to working on any of these. Okay. So, let's check things out and see how to align them. So, let's see. So 51, let's check here. That's 65. I'm going to move this down to get my 51. Or no, let's rather do it this way. Okay. Then I'm going to rather highlight all of these. Then let's try aligning them. Sorry, Control Z. So this. Okay, so it's already aligned. Like yeah. And let me check the spacing here to 29. And then the spacing here 43. So all I'll have to do is I can actually move this back, hold Alt. I'm going to move this. Okay, so to actually make things easier, all I have to do is just to hold Shift, multi-select. Okay, hold Shift and then multi-select. Then I would have to come here. Okay, so where we have the alignment tools or properties, sorry, tools, I'm going to click here. Then I'll select tidy up. Okay, tidy up isn't showing, it's supposed to show. Let's compare it now. So I have 35 here, 35. Okay, so equal spacing 35. Okay, so if your tidy up isn't showing out because it's disabled, okay, kindly use distribute horizontal spacing, okay, so that you get equal spacing. So yeah, so that's what we have here. So we can preview it now and then let's see what we have. Okay, so this is what we have, okay, for our UI. Okay, so now we'll go back and then let's see what we want to achieve now. So let's work on the hungry and then this text. So all I'm going to do is to select. Okay, so using the text tool, I'm going to select the text tool again, or better still, I can just use oh yes, Control D to duplicate. Okay, so you can use Control C, Control V, or Control D to duplicate. Okay. Then I'm going to type here hungry. So hungry. Okay. And then let's check the size. So the size here we have 96 Roboto bold. So 96 Roboto bold. So I'm going to do same here. So 96. Sorry. Roboto. Okay, so it's already Roboto, and I'm going to say to bold. Okay. And then the test color, that's the fill. I'm going to give it this particular color. Okay, so 40837. Okay, and then we would align it here. Okay, making sure it touches. Okay, the edge. Okay. Then let's look at the white space between them. So holding the Alt key, I'm going to check here. So we have 101. So just select this and then let's see what we have here. Alt. Okay, so it's still 101. Okay. Now we would have to work on this text. Okay. So this text, Control D. So Control D. Did I do Control D? Sorry, Control Z. So I'll just select this Control D. Okay, and then pull it out. And then I'm basically going to copy this text. Okay. Control C. Then I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So what's this text? You would then get, you actually get a black color. Okay. So if it's black, all you have to do is to scroll down. So let me change this to black first. So first it was 100%. Okay. So to gray it out, I have to come here where we have the fill and then change to 50%. Okay. So let's preview it and see what we have. Okay. So you can see we are making progress. So congratulations. um, and the spacing. Okay, so the spacing I have, the spacing is actually, let's see the spacing. So the spacing is what, 40. Okay, so that's the line height. Okay, so the line height is the one giving us this particular spacing. Okay, so let's see what we can do now is to um, and we can leave it here, and then in the next lesson we'll actually work on the blob and then the image. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson, and then thank you for watching.